My name is Gautam Kumawat, and in this video tutorial we are going to extract the data from any image file. So I am going to use the disk image of mobile phones. The reason behind it will contain very less memory as compared to current mobile phones or any computer laptop. So you don't have to download that much of data to learn the tools and techniques of this video tutorial. So go to this website Digital Corpora, and you can see here there are a lot of images of cell phones are given. So click here and download that cell phone image. As I already downloaded on my desktop, you can see here the disk image is containing here. So I'm going to unzip this disk image, click on extract to, and in the same folder I'm going to extract it. So right now you can see I successfully extracted the data here, and we are going to just double click it, open it, and this is the original image file. So open the terminal right now, and we are in the same folder. So do ls here, and you can see this is the disk image. So our main task is to extract the data from this disk image and analyze the disk image, that which type of information it's containing. So for this I'm going to use one tool called as bulk extractor. So type down bulk extractor here, underscore, and hit enter. So you can see these are the given handles we can use in bulk extractor. A lot of handles are given, so it's your homework to read all handles so you can use them whenever they are required. So you can see right now in this tutorial I'm going to use output directory. So I will just hyphen O I'm going to use, and I will extract the old data in single directory. So let's do it right now. Open up new terminal and do ls here. So this is the image we are having right now. You have to type down the bulk extractor underscore and hyphen O, and after that you have to give the path where you want to do store your output. So do root desktop, and I'm going to create, as I already created one folder has data here, so I'm going to store the file in data dot extracted data. So we are hitting root desktop data, and here you have to give the name of image file. So it's pretty long. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy the our main dump file, and after that you have to give the name of that file and hit enter. So you can see this is the bulk extractor version we are using. The host is Kali. This is the input file we are using, and the data is stored in this is the output directory, as we already mentioned here. Here we mentioned the output directory, and this is the disk size we have used. So this contains the two thread you have created to extract the data, and you can see this is the time taken and whatever the things this tool has done. So finally the result is what we have found in this dump image. We have found the total email feature are found 7 emails we have found in this disk image. So just open up your browser and see which mobile phones we have used of that disk image. So this is the Nokia 6230. Just copy it and search out on Google to see the mobile phone specification. So you can see this mobile phone dump we are getting, and this mobile phone dump is having almost 7 email address containing. So let's grab out that email address. So right now our data is stored, extracted data is stored at the desktop and data. So go there and just open up. Wow, awesome. So what this tool containing, it will find the email address, URL, credit card details, and other thing. It also builds word list based on the all of the word found within the data. So like as if any of file containing Gotham, so it will grab out the Gotham keyword and find out the data that where this name is coming from. So right now we are having, you can see there is a lot of details like as domain. So there will be, if any website you have visited or this sample is containing any type of domain, it will be list out. So you can see this is the domain, there are be lot of things are there. Even it will be host name, you can see there are a lot of details are given below. You can see that GPS location also. In previous those mobile phone there was no GPS, so it will be giving it blank. And here the JPG cardboard you can see here. So the main thing is I'm not going to do spoon feeding. So what, it's your homework to open up the every folder given here, every file given here, every text file given here, so you can see that what exactly this tool is doing. So right now the already we have seen in tool that he's saying that email he is found can be successfully able to found. So just open up your data and see here that where is the emails. So this is the email, and so this is the email they have found. Let's close it and open up some telephone. There is no telephone here. So this is the final report we have got also. So just open up, just find out the report.xml and open it. So you can see this is the final report we have seen. In this type of scan, things are scanned using this tool. So that's how this tool is work. So what it will do, this will be extract the data like as credit card details or email address or any other things like as telephone directory, HTTP, GPS, email domain, and other things. So the question is how this tool is helpful for the investigator. Because if you are having any dump image of 2 GB, or right now we are getting the hard disk of 1 TB of even, so it will very hard for the investigator to open up every document and find the email address and the page visited by that person, find the credit card number and all type of stuff. So this is the best tool that will automatically filter out the keyword and put it in very effective manner.